ಹಲೋ, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಟುಡೇ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಯಾವ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ MCQ. ICSE 20 marks is MCQ, right? 20 marks MCQ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದೇರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಯು ಆರ್ ಲೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. And computer subject, computer application, Java, sir, you want to get out of out means the MCQ, if you score 20 out of 20, the programming you will get it. Clearly, you can get it. But MCQ and subjective question number one and question number two, have done properly means that is technically they will give tricky questions. Okay. Here I also prepared. None on the stone, the 55 questions I have prepared. Okay, we can discuss one by one. To share my screen. So, and this one, another one, this one, and here I am acting as a student. Suprith, gmail.com. Okay. A method, it will not return any value. The method we are not going to use. A method that will not return any value. Integer, this is int, other options, void or double. These are all primitive data type. Void use you are not going to use the return, right? Okay, next. The default value of boolean is false, 0, or double quote. 0 is for default value of integer. It's a double quote for string or null, and false is the answer, right? The memory size of double data type is how many bytes? As we know, for byte it is only 1 byte. Short it is short and 2 byte, short and character. Integer and float of 4 bytes. The default return type of math. This question is very tricky one. We have done what are the library methods we have discussed. As we know, mat dot power, mat dot absolute, mat maximum, mat dot minimum, mat dot power, mat dot only except math dot round, all the mathematical library should know. The output will come in the form of point decimal. Okay. The square root of a negative number belongs to. Second. Test. Square root of a number. This square root of a negative number belongs to runtime error. In the runtime divided by 0 as we know, but this is also comes under runtime error. The last loop is which loop? Next iteration run for loop, right? Because we are going to write for I less than 4. The absence of dash statement in switch. Dash statement ನಾವು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, we get the output ಎಲ್ಲಾದು ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. Dash are the part of program used to particular task. We are going to use the method. The concept of OOP, which manages multiple method with the same name. This is method overloading. Method overloading and method overloading. It's a polymorphism. In an array, index always start from 0. If you want to take the length of an array, you start from 1, where index start from 0. That you should know the difference. A of 10 refers to the which element? Start from 0 element, 0 to 10 elements are there means it belongs to 9th element, 0 to 9. So A of 10 is 9th element. Array is subscripted using a square bracket. You know that, right? We know for 2-dimensional array, 2 square bracket. In array, 2 here already there's 2 subscript means 2D array. This one you can tell me. C is equal to A plus plus. This is post increment. The value remains same 5. After the execution, it will become 6. 6 and pre increment 6 plus 1, it will become 7. So 5 plus 7 plus B minus min. Post decrement, it will remain same 3. After the execution, it will become 2 minus B. So 3 plus 1, because this is pre decrement is there, it will become 1. So 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. Right? So answer is 16. That you can check in the compiler. Next, this is which type of operator? Use the question mark means ternary operator. So you are going to check the condition. If the condition is true, it's going to print the statement 1. If condition is false, it's going to print the statement 2, right? So here 5 modulus 2 is equal to 1, or modulus will get 1 is equal to 1. So it's going to print the value 10. If not equal to 1 means it is going to, or equal to 0, it is going to print the 11. So dash data type could be used to test for failure. What is that? True or false means that is Boolean. System out dot println mat dot absolute. Mat dot absolute means it will remove the sign. It's going to take only the absolute value, either only the absolute value. Mat dot cube root of 27. It is cube root is 3.0 and square root of minus 25 means minus, this is minus is the right. So 3 minus 5 minus 2.0. Mat dot absolute means it's going to remove the sign, means it is 2.0. Don't minus 2.0. This is mat dot absolute, it remove the sign. So it is 2.0. Next, dash specify the type of data that method returns. Method ಯಾವುದು return ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? Data type. Sorry, what is that return type, right? The access specify that most accessibility is public and the least accessibility is private. Got it? And a method that changes the state of an object. Which method? Impure or pure? It remains means that is pure. It changes means that is impure. System out of println you have 0. As we know, index start from 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. So you have 0, 1. 0, 1 is 2, right? 2 and 2. 0, 1, 2. 2 and 2 is 9. 2 plus 9 is 2 plus 9 11 minus 11 F12 1 2 8 11 minus 8 andre it is 3, right? All the keywords that you should know, these keywords must be in lowercase letter. And now that the point is a slash followed by the 2 asterisks and ends by asterisk followed by the, this is documentation. Only single asterisk means that is multi-line. Only double slash means single line, right? So method only comes under polymorphism. The question is repeated. So linear search is also known as, it is sequential search. One by one it is going, right? Java is a which independent? Platform independent. It is also machine independent. What is the meaning of platform independent? Not dependent. Any platform you can run the Java program. mat dot cube root of minus 343 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 7.0 correct. You can check in the again which operator. This is logical and if both are true means you'll get the answer true. In another condition false. M value is 10 is greater than 0, true. 10 not equal to 12, both are true means answer will be true, not 1. It will be true. String S1 compare to S2. What is this? So it's going to compare 0, P, capital M and small m is the red. So what is the ASCII value of capital M? Should know. ASCII value of capital M is, I think it is 77. And ASCII value of small m, Java is case sensitive, you know, right? Small m, small m it is 109. So 70 calci. I will take the calci. Else I can 77 minus speed ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಇದು 77 minus 109. So what is the answer related? Minus 32 ಇದೆಯಾ? Minus 32. So because the first it is slow, sorry, capital N and small letter having the highest value. If it is this string in the first idre, second idre, it will be plus 32, right? Okay. Memory size of the following double. Highest is double means how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3. Double andre 8 byte irutte. 3 elements idre 8 4 24. ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಸ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಇಂಟು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಂಟು 4, 4 ಮೂರ್ಲಿ 12 ಬೈಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸರ್ 4 ಮೂರ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು, 4 4 8 3 12. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. Name the operator that is used to allocate the memory for an object. Which is the operator? This is very important question. New operator. So by using new, we can create the object and we can allocate the memory for created object. Code reuse. Which concept? Code reuse. Once you can write on the superclass code that we can reuse in the subclass, that is inheritance. This is the tricky question. You can take this one. Trick question. Next, which one of these are the following? Case sensitive, abstraction, platform independent. So these case sensitive and platform independent are features of Java, whereas abstraction is a principle of Java. So which one is ordered? Abstraction. Static method can access, as we know, it can access only static variable, not non-static variable. And the next question, and method overloading is method name, same method name with different return type. No, method with different set of characters. This one. The method that modifies its parameter is change agre ಏನಂತೆ impure method. Same ಇದ್ರೆ pure method. The array of float ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? The array of ಏನಿದೆ ಫ್ಲೋಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? 4 4 ಇಂಟು 15 15 4 60. Name the method used to compare two strings lexicographically. Andre by using the ASCII value. Which one? Compare to. Only compare. Check madake equal or not equal, sir. We are going to compare with the ASCII values, that is compared to. Dash the package that contains string ones. You should know that is java.lang. Java.it is scanner class. IO for this input output. System out.println 8 modulus 13. Here, if it is 13 modulus 8, that is 5. It is 8 modulus 13. So numerator is less than the denominator, means numerator is the answer. This is the trickiest question you should know. Which loop guarantees that code block inside at least once? Yeah. This one, in which loop the statement will execute first? Do while, right? In a year for loop and while loop, first it's going to condition check the condition. Condition is true, then only we are execute the statement. Whereas in do while, first it's going to execute the statement, then you're going to check the condition. As we know this one, exit control loop. Find out the type of conversion, which is we are going to take, we want to convert the float value or double value into the integer. That is not double, this float, because double means 8 byte irutte, integer oda store madakala float value. So this is explicit, right? What do you mean by conversion? We're going to convert one data type to the other data type. That we should know. Next, dash the term used to tell the direction left to right or right to. This one is the important question. I think so many don't know this one. We have precedence and associative. What is the meaning of precedence? Precedence means which operator we are going to execute. Okay, if one day operator plus so minus same precedence sir, which one you are going to execute? Then we have the associativity. So we are going to take the associative. So read this concept properly, left to right or right to left. Okay, as a term used, which one is evaluated first? That is precedence, and the direction is associativity. Got it? The default delimiter is a which one? Well, in the strings, we know if you give the space, that is considered as delimiter. If else if is also known as, it look like a ladder, snake scratch. It is a ladder. It is also known as if else if ladder, right? System.exist 0 means it's a successful termination. If it is system.exit of 1 or minus 1, 2 thing means abnormal termination. 0 means that is a normal or successful termination. Now ಸಿ ಎಗಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಇದೆ, ಎ ಬಿಗಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಇದೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಡಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್? ಸಿ ಎಗಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಸಿ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿ ಮತ್ತು ಎ ಮೇಲೆ ಸಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಆಯ್ತು. ಎ ಬಿಗಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅರ್ಥ? ಸೊ ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಎ ಗಿಂತ ಸಿ ಎ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್? ಸಿ. The nested for loop, which loop is executed first? In outer for loop and inner for loop. Inner for loop is executed first, and which loop is evaluated first? That is outer for loop. That you should know. This is executed, so you are inner for loop. The nested loop and outer loop m time and m time. So, example for I is equal to 1, I less than 5, I is equal to less, j is equal to 1, j less than 3 means how many times it's going to print? 3 number of columns, 5 number of rows. So 5 into 3 means m into n, not m plus n, m into 10. M into n, not 10. Sorry. The dash technique, any changes made to the value of formal table gets reflected on the actual partner. Pass by reference. Pass by value, it's not going to reflect, right? Dash variable are declared within a class, but outside a method. That is instance variable. So what is this? The local variable. Where it is located? Local variables. It is located in the inside the method. What is this static? Static method are an instance variable, but with a static keyword. It access only static variable, right? Next, dash search is applicable to sort arrays. Arrays. Sorted array. Okay. It is binary search. Linear search applicable for both sorted array and unsorted array. Name the size of an array. How many number of rows? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 number of rows, not 5 into 3. 3 number of rows and 5 number of columns. Name the OOPS principle for the below image. This is superclass. These are all subclass. Superclass is vehicle, car and truck are subclass. So this is inheritance concept. I click on the